Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use or how to insert the Superscript option on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To type or how to insert the Superscript in Google Docs, I just going to show in this video. Clicking on the new document, I just open a new document here. So the Superscript will be like a x square and a y square and also z square, like that. So first of all, you just click on near the x and click on this a symbol on the top, which actually opens the dialog box, which is text and a paragraph dialog box. Here you can see I'm just clicking here. You just want to press this and just you should enable it. Now just type it as a Q. You can see it's actually typing as a Superscript, but if you move this cursor, if you move the line, it will be on normal. So if you want to change again, you just click this, click that, and just click here, and now you can just use it. If just select this point like this, just selecting this and click on this a symbol, and like this, selecting the 2 or 3, you can also make this. Otherwise you can just I'm just going to resize the font so you can see it clearly. So if you just want to change to y3, x square and y cube, so you can just type like this. That's you can do. This is how you just insert the Superscript in your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.